Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Nothing special happened, but at least the price is moving a little bit. A lot of you requested an update, and now that the price is moving, it makes sense. Last few weeks, nothing literally happened, and the parameters stayed intact. Support areas were respected, wave count didn't need to change, so there was no point really to do an update, while so many other charts were more interesting than QNT. But now, given that the price is actually reversing in that support or trend reversal area we communicated, it makes sense to take a look at the price. We communicated before that, yeah, we had a potential 5-wave move to the upside, and that pullback zone there was communicated already in the last update. Support at $89.40, and the communication was that, yeah, we have an initial 5-wave move, bit ugly. But as long as we're holding the $89.40 level, we might be watching for a third, or the expectation, let's say, of a third wave rally is reasonable. Important to understand, though, that QNT has not yet, it broke above this trend line that you see there, but QNT has not yet broken really above critical resistance, which is this red zone there around $120. So that's the next real barrier to cross. Also, QNT has not yet broken above this circle wave 1 high around $112. So there is still a lot more work to do for QNT. Important is to understand that the $120 area, low $120 area, is an important resistance zone just structurally. The first step is already done by turning around in our support area. But to really confirm that wave 2 is over, we need to see that sustained break above the wave 1 high around $112. And we need to see it break above 120 next. And the third wave should reach at least $131.22, which is the 1.236 extension. That would be the minimum. But that would be the, let's say, the minimum. Ideally, we'd like to see a third wave get to the 1.618 extension at $142. And then it should still give us a fourth wave and a fifth wave. So yeah, literally the first signals that QNT is alive, but not enough to confirm that anything exciting is going on. But it turned around where it needed to maintain the current wave count. And the assumption that a wave 2 was already made or formed a low in the middle of October. Yeah. And then, when we talk about, okay, what could be a target for wave 5, that's difficult to say until we have the wave 4 in place. But we can, some initial, FIB extensions that typically are relevant for the wave 5 could be the 2.618 extension. That's at least sort of to give you an idea where we might land, and that's around $170. So to keep that perspective alive, that we could have started the third wave, we need to see the price hold above $95. So that wave 2 low, very important that it's holding. This could, for example, be another small 1-2 setup in wave 3. We could now be in a third of a third wave, but then it would need to push higher and maintain that momentum. Yeah. If we now see a break back into that support region, it would indicate that we're going to make another low. You can also use, this is really the invalidation point, that wave 2 low there at $95. You can use the 50% Fibonacci level as well. That will be a good guide. So that's the level at $103.90. If that level breaks, it will be a first indication that the rally is starting to break down. Okay, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. On there you can find additional content, and the links are in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.